Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to submit a training material related to FEFTS to the AgEnergy Platform of the Agrofossil-Free project. All fields with a red cross are required and mandatory. First of all, you insert the FEFTS name, the registration of your company, as well as your email address. You also insert the type of information of your FEFTS. In our case, it's a training material. On the second page, you put here the title of the training material, the native language, which is in our case German, and also the native language title. Here you put the developing organization of the training material, the geographical location of the developing organization, which is Germany in our case, and you also indicate the type of the training material. In our case it's a manual. On the next page, you will define the users of the FEFTS. In our case, the FEFTS, the training material, is for farmers and companies. Here you indicate the type of the FEFTS technology. In our case, it's hardware. And you also indicate the field where the FEFTS is used in. So in our case, it's for open field agriculture. In addition, here you provide keywords, up to 5 keywords related to the training material in English and also in native language. So in our case, in German, you can, or you have to provide images here. In case you don't have any images, you can upload the EU logo. Here you provide the link to related images and relevant images. The same applies actually for audiovisual material. You can put or upload the file here and also provide a link here, but you don't have to. The same applies for other relevant files. In our case, I attached the PDF of the training, or the training materials PDF, and also provided the link here. I also inserted the link to the company who developed the training material, and I provided here some additional information on the training material in English and also in native language here. On the next page, you define for which kind of agricultural application the FEFTS is for. In our case, it's for energy sales to external consumers. Here you define the type of energy sales to external consumers, which this FEFTS refers to. It's electricity feed in our case. Here you indicate the FEFTS type. It's clean energy production in our example. And also the system of this FEFTS, it's energy production system. On the next question or section, you indicate the renewable energy source this FEFTS uses. It's solar. And also the energy type the FEFTS produces, or the training material is referring to, its electricity. You also indicate the final type of electricity the FEFTS produces. It's AC in our case. And also the specific technology which is used to produce the type of energy. It's photovoltaics. And here, more specifically, it's the agri-PV systems or system. The next section is a more general assessment of the training materials related to FEFTS. The first one is the FEFTS conveys a relative advantage. It's agreed. It can be tested, tried without committing. There are no information in the training material. So I state neutral, and the effects of the FEFTS can be directly observed. I agreed. The FEFTS has direct fossil energy use reduction through, it could be applied for electricity consumption in buildings, for heating and cooling. And also there are also indirect fossil energy use reductions through, for example, renewable energy sales to external markets, and thus replacing fossil-based energy. The FEFTS contributes to decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. That's totally agreed on. Here is a small section on the socioeconomic assessment of the FEFTS. The FEFTS is cheaper than existing solutions, state neutral. The FEFTS has an indirect or direct impact on the income of the producer. I agreed. The life expectancy of this FEFTS is adequate. I agreed. The FEFTS increases local economy development and reducing energy dependency. I also agreed. The FEFTS enforces the cooperative concept as state neutral, as this can also be implemented by just one company or one farmer. The FEFTS reduces farm fatigue. I also agreed, as this is an innovative approach for farms, and thus leads also to might lead to additional innovative activities on a farm. The FEFTS improves the standard of living of the rural society. I also agreed, as additional income can be created. And the FEFTS promotes the adoption and implementation of EU policies. As it is also part of it, I also agreed. This is also the last question. And now the FEFTS is ready to be submitted with the training materials.